where we are, we know our teams, our program, the Microsoft, has been having challenges. But listening to the CJ speak yesterday, or also consultation with our director, I think we are almost stabilizing. That particular, piloting, those challenges we have had, I think we are now taking this digital or virtual hearings into another level. And what does that require? It requires really investment in terms of hardware and software. Because that is the only thing then which can make virtual hearings really have meaning to our people. So this gesture of us trying to strengthen one of the very key sectors, which is the prisons, will go a long way. And it's a game changer in terms of sustaining service delivery and a turnaround time. Because my commitment, despite the challenges we experience, is that we have a judiciary which has a turnaround time. The waiting time is actually reduced, so that because our people have a legitimate expectation. When is my case going to get out of the courtroom? When is the decision going to be made? So some of the challenges might be the systems issue. Some of the challenges might be human errors and the human commitment and seal. But we are committed to the constitutional, mandate and dictates that the cases be heard and be determined expeditiously. And for our system of courts, when you decide a case from your court, it can move up to the Supreme Court. But for you, if you then cause a traffic jam at your position, that traffic jam can be experienced all along, up to the Supreme Court or up to the highest court of the land. So for this morning, very specifically, I can assure you that working together as an agency and the multi-agency which is here, this cooperation, I think, is unprecedented. So for me, is to pray for each one of you as we cross the year. You have done this because 2021, we have committed as a team and as the head of the judiciary that we transform the way we do business.
The reason we are here today is, as you know, because of the pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, the courts have moved to a virtual hearings, whereby we conduct all our matters virtually. This comes with a challenge in terms of ICT infrastructure. So we realized in our last CUC meeting, which we held in October, that the Malindi prison is serving several courts, including the High Court here, the lower courts, and also Garsen Court. Now, if we have one screen here in several screens in court, but the prison only has one laptop, there's a jam in terms of how matters can be heard. So our members here decided that we need to address this issue, and one of our key collaborators, this is Progressive Welfare Association of Malindi, came out and said that they would look into the matter. So today they've managed to supply the GK prison of Malindi with 3 additional laptops, which will ensure that at any one time, at least 5 courts are able to operate. This will greatly reduce the traffic jam that we were experiencing before, and will go a long way in delivering service delivery and justice for the people of this county and Tana River.